discovering Reiki, healing energy from mind, body, and spirit. Welcome to our exploration of Reiki, a fascinating and ancient energy healing practice that harmonizes the mind, body, and spirit. This video about Reiki will reveal its origins, methods, and incredible benefits. Introduction to Reiki. Reiki, developed in the early 20th century by Japanese monk Mikao Usui, is a technique that channels universal life force energy to promote healing. This energy, known as Kai, flows through everything and is essential for our vitality. How Reiki works. During a Reiki session, you'll typically lie on a massage table fully clothed. The practitioner gently places their hands on or just above specific energy points on your body. This process allows the energy to flow from the practitioner's hands to you, helping to restore balance and harmony. Reiki sessions often last about 50 minutes. Most people feel sensations like heat, tingling, or pulsing where the practitioner places their hands. Others may simply feel deeply relaxed and peaceful, often falling asleep during the session. Benefits of Reiki. Reiki is known to help with various conditions, including reducing anxiety and stress, alleviating chronic pain, enhancing relaxation and improving sleep, supporting emotional healing and mental clarity. Additionally, Reiki has been integrated into many healthcare settings, including hospitals, where it is used to complement traditional treatments, helping patients manage pain and anxiety and improve overall well-being. Scientific perspectives. While the exact mechanisms of Reiki remain unclear, some theories suggest it interacts with the body's electromagnetic field or promotes relaxation, thereby lowering stress responses and encouraging healing. Studies have shown that Reiki can significantly reduce anxiety and pain, particularly in cancer patients and those undergoing surgery. Practical tips. You don't need special equipment to benefit from Reiki. Whether you seek a certified practitioner or explore self-Reiki techniques, the key is consistency and openness to the healing energy. Join the Reiki community. By understanding and embracing Reiki, you can unlock a powerful tool for enhancing your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of holistic healing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from the healing power of Reiki.